Hopefully this video is going to help you save some money. Like most of my videos, they're about making something or repairing something on a budget that's not going to break your bank. I try and use tools that we all perhaps might have or we've got access to try and keep it as simple as possible. The problem I've got is I noticed the other day one of the headlights on the car, the Xenon bulb, had turned pink. I wondered what it was, did a little bit of research, and it turns out that the bulb was on its way. Sure enough, 2 or 3 days later, the bulb actually stopped working. So I rang the garage, asked them for a quote. The quote came back about £100 plus VAT. So I was thinking, why don't I actually have a go at this and have a quick look? I'm assuming that the Xenon bulb has gone. I'm not exactly sure, but I want to try and have a look this morning, see if I could get in there, try and do it myself. Obviously, I don't want to try and take it to Mercedes garage unless I really have to. I've looked under the wheel arch, and there seems to be a window in there that corresponds to where the bulb is. So I'm hoping if I take that little plastic window out, I might get access to the Xenon bulb. I've cranked the wheel across onto full lock, which will give me a little bit of access in there to get some tools in there, my hands in there. If we look up here, there is a little bracket. I'm going to try and turn that. See if that comes undone. Yes, that's come undone. So I've just slid it down. It actually slides down, so it's on a slider. Right, I wonder if this turns out. Arrow to the right open, arrow to the left close. Okay, that just twisted to the right, and the caps come off. So that's in the back of the Xenon. So I've pulled the fitting out. So I just pulled the connector off. I've managed to get the old one out and I've ordered a new one. So this is the old one, and I basically got all the details off the back of it there. I had a quick look online and I found these that matched the same specifications of these for basically 20 quid. So my thinking was, I think it's probably worth a punt that I'm going to try one of these in there. You get 2 in the box for 20 quid. And the width's not too far off, and the connectors, I don't know if you can see that, are exactly the same. So let's take it down, put it in the car and see what happens. There we go. It's gone. There we go. Now. There we go, it's locked in. So as I pushed it in and got it actually into the housing, and then I turned it clockwise, I felt it click, and that is now locked in. The connector's on. Moment of truth, let's go and try it. If you like the video, please subscribe down the bottom and give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Any comments or questions, please put them in the box below.